Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So many of my audience or my friends, colleagues, they regularly used to ask me what are the instruments and what are the tools you are using for making the recording. So just I thought of making a one small video based on that. So here you can see some of the instruments they are fixed here. So that is an green screen. Okay, so that will be used for making some, if you want to remove the background and any audio or any background screen if you want to apply, so you should have the background screen first so that you can entirely remove your background. So that will be used for this screen. Okay, so that is the one thing. Again, when you are coming to the effects here, so you can see here, so I will make. Okay, so this is a tripod. Okay, now it is made into smaller size, but you can increase the size of this tripod. So this will be around height of around 4 to 5 feet. Okay, so this can be increased. So this cost around 200 to 300 in any of the online stores. You can get it, this type of tripod. Okay, so this is a one tool. And again here some of the like sketch pens which are going to be used, and these are the pens. Okay, so different color pen, pencils are available. Now this is a laptop. Okay, so if anything related to any software, so I will use the laptop, and for any software editing I will use this. Generally for making the software edit, I used to go with KineMaster, so that is there in the mobile app. So for small alternations and modification, I will go with the KineMaster. So again, this is another mobile holder device. Okay, so you can see here. So this device I will hold to the table now like this. Okay, so this the product name is Extor mobile holder device. So this cost around 700 rupees in the Amazon. So you can get even the length of this. If you want more length, you can go for the higher longer length also. So that cost around 900. And so you can see here. Okay, so here I will hold the workpieces, and this is a very flexible here. Okay, so you can make the movement in any directions, horizontal, vertical. So you can bend also. This is a metal body, so you can make the vertical, and I will fix the. You can hold the mobile here, and you can make a recording whenever if you want to explain on the drawing sheet. So the drawing sheet will be located here. So from the top view, we can make a recording. So this is a one another work holding device, and for making the like like audio quality, so I will use a Boya mic. So you can see here, this is an Boya mic. Okay, so this is an, so now whatever I am using this one. Okay, so this is an Boya mic. So this cost around 800 to 1000 rupees in the Amazon. Okay, so background noise that will be used, so you can use that one also. Okay, and so here calculator is there, scientific calculator. So this is enough for making the recording. So if you are having a good camera mobile, then that is enough for making the online teachings. But if you want to go for higher professional YouTuber, then you should have a good DSLR camera, so that you can make a good quality of videos. So basically, if you are a beginner, so you can start with buying these products. So one is required the tripod, and another is the mobile holder. And if you are having laptop, then that is okay. Otherwise also you can go with the mobile software. So many software editings are there. And another for the audio quality, you require this Boya mic. So even for less cost also, around 150 200, you can get this type of mics, but the length of this will be very small. Now this Boya mic, it's around 7 feet, so the length it will be around 7 feet. But for a educational video, we don't require this much length. Okay, so you can go for the shorter length mic also, and yeah, that's it. These are the basic tools I am using. Inside there is a board. Okay, so there is a whiteboard, so that also around cost of 1000 rupees. So that much. Okay, I am using the tools. So this is about my arrangement in my home studio. So thank you for watching.